about Danny Longback, page 71 to 87. The story begins that when Julie meets Julia's uncle at the school. He is keen, they talk a lot, and she shows him the school. After that, he sent chocolates for her. She's very happy, but Julia too jealous. Then Julie goes to the farm. During her summer vacation, she meets and lives with an old woman at there. She is keen and friendly. She tells Julie a lot about Julia's uncle. She even finds his diary too.
Okay.